Why do some likes not show on Twitter? Because, when a user sets his/her privacy setting on, only people who follow the user can see his/her profile. In your case, few users who liked your tweets have kept their setting as mentioned, which prevents you to look into their profiles. If you wish to see it, you got to follow them. Why is Twitter deleting my likes? Twitter is proposing to hide engagement metrics, likes, retweets, to make the site friendlier, by removing the appearance of ranking. Here is the truth. They find the concept of the ratio embarrassing to powerful people and embarrassing to be associated with. Does Twitter send notifications for likes? Twitter notifications in case of likes take about 10 seconds to register, and only after that the target account is notified. The notification only disappears when the account whose tweet you just liked doesn't follow you when your account is set to private. Why did my tweet disappear? Truncated profile timelines can be caused by accounts deleting many tweets in a row from their profile. Tweets more than a week old may fail to display in timelines or search because of indexing capacity restrictions. Old tweets are never lost, but cannot always be displayed. Don't forget to subscribe for more of these videos.